Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need the right view first, so switch to Print Layout and open the document you'll adjust. Once done, go to the View tab and check Ruler. That shows the horizontal ruler immediately. You're not finished yet. Word only displays the vertical ruler in Print Layout. If you don't see it, close reading view or web layout, make sure zoom is above minimal levels. These initial steps prepare Word to display the vertical ruler. They're fast, and they avoid toggling wrong settings later. Now you'll change the specific setting that controls the vertical ruler. Go to File, choose Options, then Advanced, scroll to the Display section. There you'll find a checkbox labeled Show Vertical Ruler in Print Layout View. Check it. Click OK to apply. Word immediately attempts to render the ruler on the left side of the page. If the ruler still doesn't appear, make sure you're truly in Print Layout and not Draft or Outline. Also confirm your zoom level is reasonable, so that you finally use the vertical ruler. Click and drag its margin and indent markers to set top and bottom spacing precisely. This gives you fine control for headers, footers, and vertical alignment. It's faster than dialog boxes. If the ruler still refuses to show, restart Word, toggle the ruler off and on, or install Office updates. Also check if multiple monitors or high DPI scaling hide UI elements. Adjust display scaling or move Word to the primary monitor. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.